What's up, y'all? Kevin Flynn here. Would love to lead you through a 15-minute flow meant for your neck, shoulders, and upper back. This is a great practice, especially if you spend a lot of time behind a desk, working on a computer, holding your cell phone or a steering wheel, really anything that makes us kind of hunch over and causes a lot of upper back, neck, shoulder tension. So when you're ready, we'll find our way into a comfortable seated position. If you haven't already changed into some comfy clothes, feel free to do so, and we'll get ourselves started. So beginning in a comfortable seat, lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders, and you're welcome to close your eyes if you'd like. We'll start off with a few mindful breaths. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, exhale. Again, breathe in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. One more time, all the way in. Extra sip. Open mouth, exhale. Welcome to your practice. For the next 12 to 15 minutes, let's see if we can put all of our worries and cares and job titles aside and just allow ourselves to be present with the human experience, any thoughts, sensations, or emotions that you may be experiencing, just cultivating a bit more presence for everything. So to get into our neck and shoulders, upper back, we'll start off with a little bit of a warm-up, including some breath. So as you're ready, start with your arms as wide as you can. Spread your fingertips wide. Draw your shoulder blades down and back. Take a full breath in. Open up. Exhale. Draw your palms together in front of you. Arch your upper back towards the back of your mat. Inhale. Open up your arms like you're about to give the sky a hug. Exhale. Arch your back. Round your chin towards your chest and bring your fingertips to meet. Again, inhale, open up. Exhale, arms come together. Again, inhale, open your arms. Exhale, give the sky a hug. One more time. Inhale, open up. Exhale, bring it together. Inhale, open. And then we'll find an eagle wrap. Wrap right arm underneath left. You're welcome to grab opposite palms, or if that's not quite happening today, you can always grab opposite shoulders. And we're just going to take things up and down here. Inhale, lift your elbows up towards the sky or ceiling. Exhale, bring your elbows down towards your belly. Inhale, lift your elbows up. Exhale, elbows to belly. Two more. Inhale, elbows up. Exhale, elbows to belly. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, release your arms, sweep them overhead. Spirit fingers, just to bring a little zest into the practice. And then we'll go to the opposite side. Wrap your left arm under. Again, option to bring palms together, or you can grab opposite shoulders. That works perfect also. Inhale, lift your elbows up towards the sky. Exhale, bring your elbows to belly. Arch your upper back. Inhale, elbows up. Exhale, elbows to belly. Two more with your breath. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, elbows up. Exhale, elbows down. Inhale, unwind your arms. Jazz hands this time, and then we'll release our hands down to the earth. Let's find our way into tabletop position. Go ahead and move to all fours. Bring your wrists under your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. Take a moment to just wiggle around. Shift forward and back, or shift left and right. I think that's one of the underutilized things in yoga, is just wiggling around. Doesn't always have to be a specific posture with specific alignment. Sometimes the best stretches happen, or the best sensations happen, when we're just kind of wiggling, freestyling. All right, let's get into our wrists. Spin your fingertips out towards the sides of your mat. Let your wrists face inwards and start finding some circular motions with your torso. Imagine that you're trying to draw a large circle on the mat underneath you with a string. And then switch directions with your circles. Now, getting into the neck, shoulders, and upper back, we want to think about also getting into our wrists just because they're an extension of those parts of the body. Let's go ahead and now go to the back of our wrists. Spin your fingertips towards your knees with your palms face up. And again, give yourself a little shift forward and back. And I'll say that again because sometimes it's done incorrectly. We want to do palms face up towards the ceiling, fingertips towards your knees, and we're just shifting forward and back. Go ahead and unwind your hands, and we'll set up threaded needle. Inhale, sweep your right arm to the sky. Find some movement for your wrist, your elbow, and your shoulder, and then thread your right arm through to the left side of the room. Allow your torso to create compression from your arm into the earth, and you should feel a stretch in the back of your right shoulder here. And always wiggling around, or at least for the first few moments, so you can find the right spot. And then begin leaning towards the right side of your mat, putting more pressure into the shoulder. And take 2 deep breaths in through your shoulder. And imagine breathing out of your right arm. Again, inhale to your right shoulder. Exhale out of your right arm. Let's stay for one more because this is too good. Right shoulder breath in. Right arm breath out. Set up to unwind. Inhale, sweep your right arm back open to the sky. And then set your right hand back down. We'll go into the left side now. Inhale, sweep your left arm to the sky. Hello, Boulder. Exhale, thread your left arm through to the right. Give yourself a moment to shift forward and back, left or right. Again, kind of taste testing different activations happening in your shoulder. And when you've found a good spot, we'll start to lean just a little bit towards the left side of your mat until you feel more tension being put into the shoulder. Now remember, with everything that we do in yoga, we're looking for healthy stress. The same way that wind helps strengthen trees, that's a stress for the tree. We want healthy stress for our bodies. We want to stress the muscles, stress really every part of the body without traumatizing it. We don't want to go so deep that we feel any shooting sensations or create any injuries. Inhale, fill your left shoulder with air. And breathe out of your left arm. Again, left shoulder breath in. Left arm breath out. One more time. Full breath in. Full breath out. Set up to unwind. Inhale, sweep your left arm back open to the sky. Exhale, set your left hand down. Great. Just a couple rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chin, shoulder blades back, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back, round your chin towards your chest as tight as you can. Again, inhale, belly down, shoulder blades back, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back, round your chin towards your chest. We'll go one more time. Inhale, belly down, shoulder blades back, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back, round your chin towards your chest. Great. Come back to neutral with your spine, and then we're just going to set up on our bellies. Go ahead and come down to your belly. Extra credit if you let out some grunting and groaning along the way. So in low cobra, we're going to use no arm strength. We're just going to use the strength of our upper body without the arms to lift up. So when you're ready, just using your back muscles, inhale, cobra pose. Pause here, draw your shoulder blades down and back away from your ears, and deepen your breath towards your belly. Inhale, lift a little bit higher. Keep breathing. A little bit higher. Keep breathing. Fullest expression all the way up. And exhale, release. And this time, we'll set up Cobra using the strength of our arms. Inhale, lift. Still engage your back muscles here, but now we're pushing down into our arms. Draw your shoulder blades down and back. Deepen your breath for 3. Last 2. Last 1, all the way up. And slowly release. Great, and our final posture is open wing. Reach your right hand all the way out to the right side of your mat and roll over to your right side body. You'll use your left leg to kick around to the right. So this posture, we're just looking to stretch out the space between the shoulder and the chest. Sometimes you just feel it in the shoulder though. And this is a great posture to help realign the spine. Again, most of us, myself included, spend so much time in a hunched over position nowadays that it's just good to open up through the chest. That way our back muscles can get a break and our spine can support the rest of the body. Inhale, fill your right shoulder with air. And breathe out of your right arm. Again, right shoulder breath in. Right arm breath out. Maybe rolling a little further open now. One more time, right shoulder breath in. Right arm breath out. Slowly lower back down to your belly. Ugh. And then we'll go into the left side. Reach your left hand all the way out to the left side of your mat and roll open to your left side body. You can use your right leg to kick around to the left. And again, we're just looking to find a stretch somewhere between pec and shoulder. Sometimes it's useful to have a little bit of pressure from your right hand down into the ground, or maybe you're using your right leg to swing further open to adjust how much pressure you're putting into the shoulder. When you've found a good spot, inhale, fill your left shoulder with air, and breathe out of your left arm. Again, left shoulder breath in. Left arm breath out. One more time. Left shoulder in. Left arm out. Slowly lower back down to your belly. Ugh. And then flip over to your back. There's not really a fancy way to do it. And just give yourself a few moments to breathe slow. And for our final resting position, I'd like to lead you through a few rounds of my favorite style of breath. It's called 4-7-8 breathing. You breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8. So first, just get as comfortable as you can. If you're able to get 5% more comfortable, go ahead and do so now. All right, breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 4. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 4. Hold for 7. Breathe out for 8. And then just let your breath be however it wants to be. And stay in your Shavasana or your resting position for as long as you have time for. It's amazing how useful rest can be for us. I hope that this practice has served you well. It's been a delight to help lead you through it, and I hope that it's made an impact on your day and your neck, shoulder, and back tension. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to put it in the comments down below. It would mean a whole lot if you'd like. Maybe subscribe if you feel drawn to. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Cheers. Mwah.